What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Wisco Madman coming at you with another reaction video. If you guys haven't already, be sure to smash that like button down below. Hit the sub button and check that all to stay up to date with all my reaction videos. We're getting into some Upchurch's brand new album. Checked it out on the album review just last Friday. It's from the Blue Jeans album. This one's called Pocket Watch. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump up in it.
Charge. Man, country dude ballin', southern slang just like a Cajun. Blowing yellow perp, cold bead, check the flavor. Half court, too easy shit. I should've been a Laker, but I'm on that bullshit. I got Michael Jordan paper. Dog, I'm basket robbing. Style got 23 flavors. Rocky.
Damn, that double right there. I'm Baskin Robin. Basket Robin. Baskin Robbins. Like, I don't know if he was doing that shit on purpose. Knowing Church, he probably was, but let's catch that one again.
Could've been a Laker, but I'm on that bullshit. I got Michael Jordan paper. Dog, I'm basket robbing. Style got 23 flavors. Rocky top, rock.
Yeah, he did that shit on purpose. Oh my god, I could listen to that bar over and over and over. Y'all know me, if you're checking out my fucking reactions, my favorite thing in rap is entendres. Like, I know some people hate on Conceited, but I don't give a fuck. That is, like, the slow it down shit. Fucking love it. So when Church throws me a Baskin Robin double entendre here, let's catch this shit again.
I got Michael Jordan paper. Dog, I'm basket robbing. Style got 23 flavors. Rocky top, rocky road. Pass submitting all my records so they go inside museums. I'm the golden volunteer and I'm over my career. Savage acting so sincere. Raised up, gun toting, back a chewing, chain smoking. Fuck a trespass sign. Man, my gate ain't never open. Bust you down like Tatiana.
He says, I don't need no trespassing sign. Go ahead and try, motherfucker. Gate's locked.
If you shift my southern comfort, then I say my ass was scared. Can't you tell by my emotions?
Try me. My ass was scared. I protect myself. Check that shit out again, bro. Check that shit out again.
Man, my gate ain't never open. Bust you down like Tatiana. If you shift my southern comfort, then I say my ass was scared. Can't you tell by my emotions? Once upon a time I wasn't crazy. Once upon a time the atmosphere was too rainy.
You know, to be fair though, look back in history, bro. Look back in history. People might call you crazy, but every fucking genius in history was at one point in time, pretty much through their entire life. Usually they don't get the credit until after they're dead, but they were all considered crazy. I'm gonna give you the respect right the fuck now. You motherfucking lyrical genius. Like, you're right up there with M on your creativity. And you don't see M doing 3 different genres now, do ya?
Once upon a time, mainstream tried to play me. Once upon a time, I was timeless in the make. Ain't enough diamonds for your TikTok. 12 zeros in my face, no wristwatch. I ain't lending helping hands, check the ghost clock. No minutes for you people trying to pocket watch.
The whole fucking theme there. We gotta hear that shit again.
Ain't enough diamonds for your TikTok. 12 zeros in my face, no wristwatch. I ain't lending helping hands, check the ghost clock. No minutes for you people trying to pocket watch. I ain't street at all, shit, I guess I'm gravel. Hillbilly headed up to the Drake level. Yeah. Hit him with the blue suede, hella kicks, blue cane, titties bouncing all around me. I don't.
That That Mortal Kombat reference. Liu Kang?
On 2 Chainz. Man, I dribble venom rhythm.
Oh, I done fucked it up because it was in the middle of it. Son of a bitch. Joys of being a reactor. You can't always time it right. And I sure as fuck ain't one to claim got all the bars, but I caught that one.
Hit him with the blue suede. Hella kicks, Liu Kang.
Hit him with the blue suede. I even missed that part. Now, obviously, I opened up this live with blue suede. Like, that's one of my favorite ones because my favorite color blue and that motherfucker bumps.
Hillbilly headed up to the Drake level. Yeah. Hit him with the blue suede. Hella kicks, Liu Kang. Titties bouncing all around me. I don't own 2 Chainz. Man, I dribble venom.
I don't own 2 chains.
Rhythm, fuck the system, bitch, I'm winning. 3 X's up on the jug, no Jerry Springer when we swinging. We don't fake the television, we got heat you can't extinguish. Spitting fire like Charizard, so stamp me as a first edition.
Woo! Stamp me as a first edition. Pokemon reference for the win, Charizard.
So many bars at my house, now it is a prison. Rappers got me fucked up, my next single gonna be Prohibition.
So many bars at my house, we call that shit a prison. You killing me, Church. You killing me. We go back just a little bit again.
As a first edition. So many bars at my house, now it is a prison. Rappers got me fucked up, my next single gonna be Prohibition. Superstars are prohibition, always trying to cop positions. But I know what I am and I carry lots of ammunition. Once upon a time I wasn't crazy. Once upon a time the atmosphere was too rainy. Once upon a time mainstream tried to play me. Once upon a time I was timeless in the making. Ain't enough diamonds for your TikTok. 12 zeros in my face, no wristwatch. I ain't lending helping hands, check the ghost clock. No minutes for you people trying to pocket watch.
Oh my god, Kalani, that shit was straight fire on the beats. Straight fire on the beats. Like the drop, the fucking intro to that shit. This is all dope. This is all dope, man. And Church be putting them fire bars together. So much so, he says the house Ghost Ranch is a motherfucking prison. Cause he be making all them bars. Dope, dude. Fucking dope. I know y'all hear me say that all the time. Dope, 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 dope. But can't help it. It's dope. If y'all like this reaction video, be sure to smash that like button down below. Thank you guys for commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to check out Upchurch's page as well as Kalani's page. They're both down in the description below. If you guys are interested in checking me out on other socials, link trees down below as well. I appreciate y'all being here. I really do. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.